That's really the point of this short and sweet podcast where I'm just pouring into you. You don't have to publish every episode. If you don't get along with somebody, if you feel like they're just there for self-promotion, then there's that. But I've got the book in front of me. It's called Extreme Ownership by Jocko Willink and Leif Babin. Leif Babin, I think, is how he says his name. But I listened to the audio of these two, and especially because I do a lot of mountain biking, and then there's this place called Trestle Bike Park, which is about an hour and a half from my house. And it's a world-renowned bike park. There's like Whistler Bike Park, which is probably the best one in the world, and then there's Trestle, which is people in many different countries fly in to go to this place, and it's only about an hour and a half from my house. So I get a season pass. I've gotten a season pass a couple years in a row. While I'm driving up an hour and a half, I need to do something with my time. So I'm listening to this book called Extreme Ownership. And the main takeaway is everything is your fault. Okay, maybe it's not your fault. Maybe you didn't cause it, but everything is your responsibility. And so, like, dude, if this guy that I had on my podcast, if he would have been like, instead of rejecting the thing and calling me crazy that he didn't really have these dogs barking, which obviously he did, and he would have said, oh, you can hear that? I didn't even know you could hear that. Let me try to fix it. Or should we re-record that? If he's like working with me and taking responsibility, maybe the dog barking is not necessarily his fault. He's not the mailman walking by the dog. You know, he's not the mailman. He's not bothering the dog. The dog's probably not barking because of him. But the dog barking in his background is making my listener get distracted. Well, I'm never publishing that episode, so you're not going to get distracted by it. But by having these constant like background noises, all I was saying is, hey, man, can we find a solution? And he wanted to say, you're not hearing anything. And that lie, that non-trueness is the thing that makes me blow up. So I blew up at him. I said something to the effect of, you know, if you don't want to take responsibility for these things and fix them, I don't think we have much in common, and we can end the interview.